Cek, cek. Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And here I want to work at my segment from my mentor from my class TRKJB. The first, I want to turn on my PNet, yeah, can step out notes, and then you can click start out notes for to turn on uh, always. No, al router. Okay, wait until I'll turn on. Okay, wait guys, I want to cross check my OBS. Check, check. Okay, okay. The first, oh wait, PC3 not turn on. Waiting. Why this? Oh, wait guys. Eh, astagfirullah. Sorry, this is no router, but the in here PC. Okay, remove first. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry guys. C3 and then done. Save. Okay. Okay. Wait guys. Okay. I don't turn on my router or my PNet. The first I want to konfigurasi basic in my router from router Bandung and router Pusat Jakarta and then router Surabaya. The first I want to setting router Pusat Jakarta. What is this? Okay. Okay. Wait, yes, yeah. And then router Bandung. Can click enter, and then you can click N to done. Okay. After that, the last router Surabaya. Enter again. And then click N again. Yeah. The first I want to give identity to router Surabaya. Click system identity set name and then give your name. Yeah, I want to add router Surabaya and then click enter. Okay, after that router Bandung and then the same before that you can click You can click system identity, set name. In here, name uh, router Bandung. What is this? What is this? Remove from. Okay, Bandung. Okay, and then after that, system identity again to router Jakarta. System identity set name enter and then okay after that I want to setting IP to Roman system to Roman for making the three router okay to remote tiga router three router okay uh, what uh, what's your roles uh, sorry sorry role Roman set enable yes. Okay, after router pesawat, router Jakarta, uh, router Bandung again. To Roman set enable yes. Okay, after that, router Surabaya, the last. To Roman set enable yes. Okay, after that, I want to configure uh, in my Winbox to remote in my Winbox. Okay, can open the Winbox. Sorry. Oh, sorry guys. Wait. I want to cross check my OBS. Okay. And what minutes? 7 minutes. Okay. Cancel. The first I want to log in the at Router Jakarta and then connect. Okay. After that again login new inbox again to Router Bandung. Router Bandung. What it is? Router Bandung IP 00 what? I don't know. I can't know again. Then first. Okay, new ones again. The same before that. The last router Surabaya. Okay, wait guys, again. Okay, I done making the three router for remoting. This is router Pusat Jakarta, router Bandung, and then router Surabaya. Okay. Okay, the first I want to make a user server L2TP. Okay, in router Pusat Jakarta. Eh, no, click. Eh, okay, can click TTP and then click L2TP. And then this is enable checklist. Don't forget guys, ya. This is apa? uh, Penting ya. Don't forget and then yes IP search. You can click yes and then you click your password. This is apa apa ya? terserah ya, terserah untuk password masing-masing. Oke, this is sorry. Ah, but I want to give my password Ahmad and then apply OK. Okay, okay. And then making the profile. Oh yeah, yeah. Before making the profile, I want to setting my I people to setting, yeah. In here, I want to see my pinet. Okay, I want to see my pinet. And here, then 111 street 10 uh 100. Okay, done. Satu, satu, satu. Okay, apply. Okay, and then you can click profiles and then add. This is I want to give my name up. What I want to give ah Keiju Keiju. Uh, Optional ya. Yes. This is name optional. Your optional. Okay. And then local address. This remote address. This 1111. Two. Sorry, yes, two. And then default. Okay, done. All. Ah, for protocol, in use encryption to click yes. And then at limits, you can click no, only one, and you can click no. Okay. And then you can click again apply. Okay. Okay. Done guys, yeah. And then in the last in oh done no 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 making first scripts and then add in here. I want to default it to Keiju and then password before that you're making the same. Okay. Mat. Okay, in service uh um can you just the I need but the specification you can click L2TP. Okay. For clear color ID no. And then profile, you can click default inscription. And then local address. This is okay. For local address 10 111. Okay. For remote address, you're making before the KG ya. Okay. 10 and 2. Okay. Okay. PP secret done. Okay, done. And then add again for client 2. For router Surabaya. In here, I want to give name Sanji, and then you can don't forget your password. Ah, and then the same before that, you can click L2TP and color ID no default. And then profile, you can click default inscription. Okay. And then, okay, done. Yeah. Oh yeah, local address, don't forget this. Yeah. In here, my IP 111. And then remote address to, oh yeah, don't forget this. Before and street Keju to remote address router Bandung. In here, router Surabaya. Sorry. Entry. Okay. Okay, apply. Okay. Okay, done. Oh yeah. Before don't forget in here after that I want to make the IP firewall. Okay, the configuration basic usually they to die before and author enter one and then action masquerade. Okay, apply. Okay. Hmm. Okay. For router pusat Jakarta done. And now I want to setting router Bandung. Okay, you can click PPP and then add L2TP client. Okay, in here you can change the dial out and then click. In here you copy the IP dynamic in router Jakarta. Okay, IP dynamic in here address. In here IP dynamic you can copy. Okay, I want to copy first. Control C and then back to router Bandung. Control V. Okay, and user in here Bandung. User uh, user the ini guys ya. User the Sanji Kaiju and then don't forget password Ahmad and then don't forget IP6 and then click again the same before that password Ahmad. Okay, 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 done ya guys ya. Done ya. Okay, right, okay. Uh, oh, I want to check the first in. I want to check default inscription. Okay, okay, okay. Status no. Okay, I want to cross check in router Jakarta. Wait, yes, wait. Okay, yes. Wait. Wait. Before I have the trouble and here on the running. Sorry, yes, the trouble, little trouble in my Winbox. Okay, and then next router Surabaya. VP and then add to L2TP client and then dial out. For the same before that IP public in router Jakarta. Okay. Eh, router. Sorry. Back again. Okay. And okay. And then di sini in here my user Sanji in here router Surabaya. Okay. Password don't forget. Ahmad. Okay, and then IP6 don't forget. And click Ahmad and apply. Why to? is lima. Oke, dan guys ya, uh, I want to cross check. Yeah. Okay, this is running. After that, I want to give IP, the IP addresses. Okay, Kota Jakarta. Here, mm, right, in Jakarta itu 79211, oke, 92168, jadi 124, enter to, don't forget, and then apply. Okay, and then again add dua and then 30 and then 2 and 1 and then forget slash to 54 and then enter 3 in here enter 3 then apply. Okay, okay, for IP address done, router Jakarta, then after that router Bandung again, addresses I want to check Bandung tuh Bandung tuh 68 and then two and then forget slash again the same before that, you can just the ether 2 and then apply. Okay, okay, get to router Surabaya p dash 192 1 3 1, don't forget slash and here 2. Okay, okay, after that what is IP firewall, IP firewall in Surabaya, IP firewall. Okay, I want to match the IP firewall in the H1 and I change the mascot. Okay, mascot and then apply. Okay, okay, after then don't forget router Bandung Gen IP firewall and then net add interface one and then action masquerade the same before that. Okay, try. Okay, okay, then after that back to router Jakarta. I want to making the IP route. Okay, IP route from router 2 uh, to router 1, router Jakarta to router Bandung to router Surabaya. Okay, I want to making IP route. Okay, I want to check. Okay, okay, IP route in here Jakarta. Destination address. In here, don't slash, don't slash or slash. Okay, then you can click apply. Okay, and then again to router, to PC4, to PC4. Don't phone, tekan 0, 4, and then click 3. Okay, okay, done to for router Jakarta, and then router Bandung. After that, router Bandung, IP route, IP route, IP route, IP route. The first Bandung, uh, 92 to 68, and then in here, in here, in here, in here. Okay, then okay. Again, open, news, number, and then getaway. Don't forget 113. Okay, apply. Okay. Eh, what is this? Unreachable. Waiting is. Wait. Oh, sorry. Sorry, one. Ah, okay. Sorry. I forget this. Sorry. Tenang. Okay. Here, the last in router Bandung. Sorry. Ah, oh, astagfirullah. Ini, tick. No, don't forget slash. Here. Okay, done. For router Bandung for making IP route, the last router Surabaya. IP route. Oh, where? IP route at hmm, the first. No, uh, uh, don't forget get Y, yeah. In here get a Y the same before that. Okay, unreachable. Okay, to PC3 satu nama. No, don't forget slash the same before that. Okay, now for get Y. Okay. The last for router Surabaya. Hmm, 30 and then no minus 24. Okay, for get y 10 December for that. Sorry. Okay. Okay. For IP root, making the IP root done. I want to back to my pnet and then give IP or IP the better one. What is the 3 and then the last router 4. In router 1, IP 192.168 and then 1. Okay, and don't forget slash, then 4, and then get y. After that, get y. Same before that. 92, 168, and then 1. This is satu. PC1. Okay. Okay, alhamdulillah. Okay, I want to testing. Okay, okay. After that, PC2. 2, 2, and then, don't forget slash. Okay, after that, get y, make the get y. Sorry, 2, 32, kemudian tik 1. Okay, okay, I want to testing first. Ping 72 titik dot 30 and then 2 and then 1. Okay, successful. And then PC3. Ini 2, 2, and then don't forget slash 24 and then get away. Make the get away. Okay. 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 Test. I want to test ping. Okay, successful. And then PC4. Uh, eh, PC4 and then don't forget slash and then get away. Make the get away. Okay, I want to test ping. Manual. 68 and then 3, 2, 1. Alhamdulillah. Okay. I want to check ping to internet. This yes, what it is. Uh, wait. What is this, guys? Wait, 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 wait. Bandung, Surabaya. Dan cek Surabaya. Done. Hmm. Oh, uh, sorry, yes, sorry, sorry. Hmm, okay. Uh, wait, yes, wait. Hmm, wait, wait. I want to. Sorry, guys. Before I don't turn on my Wi-Fi, so no internet. And here, I want to cross check first. Uh, that I'm out, and then I don't turn on my Wi-Fi. Sorry, sorry. Before I turn off my Wi-Fi. Yeah, now I want to test again. Okay, and then I want to check from router 4 to router PC4 to PC3. PC1 first. Okay, successful. And then PC3. Mm, okay, successful. And then I want to check PC3 to PC4. Yeah. Eh, okay. To PC3. Again PC3. Okay, successful. And then yeah, I want to check PC. Oh, sorry guys. This is PC3, and then I enter the PC3. Sorry, sorry, sorry. PC1, PC1, PC1. Dua, satu, delapan, dan ya. Dan al. Ya, PC1 cek, PC1 cek. Dua, satu, delapan, and then for PC4. Okay. Oh yeah. The last, uh, I'm into DNS domain name. Eh, Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Maybe just for me. Thank you for attention. Uh, I'm done. To my segment. Thank you. Uh, thank you. The last. Uh, ah, the last. Okay. Thank you for attention. Maybe just for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.